Agora coca there. Coca bloquei con bal.
เอาที่เราได้มาอีกล้างไปเลย
Guys, check out breakfast here this morning. Having by there, got some fried plantain. Yes guys, so that's breakfast right there. And I got my cup of tea here. Okay guys, so we're having the nice. Traditional breakfast, Guyanese breakfast. Chapati. Hey guys, so we're going out on the road to check out Mr. Sammy.
Hey, watch me before you mash up dark shit here. You don't mash up.
What?
Dark shit. Dark shit, yeah.
No, a big one here, watch me. Hey, what kind of boy? The man Sammy Cunningham.
All good?
Yeah, man. Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Right out, you're right out. Wait.
All good.
Alright, good.
No, the door is closed.
Are you close by yourself?
Yeah, boy.
It's an automatic thing here, boy.
Yeah, boy. I feel. Yeah, I don't got germs.
What? You know what are you talking about, boy? You drinking or something?
Drink a shot of highway.
So you're going down your road.
I can't say.
It's very small if you like Coca-Cola yard or something.
Mana?
Where, what yard is it?
Sonar.
By Sundar, we went by Sundar. New road. I don't do it around and say old man, no? Alright, let's come on.
Let's go on. Let's go on.
Your father got walk here, right?
No, you want it.
Huh?
You want it.
Oh, no, I know. Your father walk every day shopping.
You take the only kid. Where you gotta go out walk to the there,
I need to wait for Abby. Ada
What do you think? This is a taxi? Is that taxi, but you just to get it ready. See, automatic door, boy. Taxi ka, automatic door. Come on, boss.
It's your watch.
Yeah, we want to watch now.
Nah. You have a watch. I have a watch.
So what yard is this? A what
I
yard?
later buy.
This yard got name?
It's a Maggie yard.
Maggie yard?
Yeah, 39.
Oh, balalo.
139.
Tiger.
Maria lang for live.
Wow, bye.
Far na, boy. Far na.
The hangover? You're going to take to the kang manal.
Wow, you got take 2 beer today, boy. GWA. Oh. Hey, so much concrete here you are in the mountain. Yeah guys, so this is my Sundar. Come here to see my old-time friend, Mr. Sammy. You got a view from up here. Yeah. Oh, you got a garage back here, boy. Got a pool. Oh. Check out the view here, boy. I mean, it's not a front house, but look at the view. Mango tree now blossoming there. Come on, one little one. Yeah, nice breeze here, boy. Nice open place. That's a public road over there. Yeah, you came in. Nice bottom house here, boy. Set us up nice for the hammock and stuff. Yeah, right. You got hibiscus tree here.
Yeah. That joke money thingy, but you see how people say.
What is million?
You know how big it is building?
Wow, boy. It's big. Who owns this? My daddy? You gotta be a relative, I guess, with a piece. Big. Yeah, this is another building, guys. Check out the size. I'll do a little shot when I come in there. And I will catch it when I come in. Tibok. is Sundar Singh Cycle and General Store. So check out the building size. They open. Business as usual, bye. Oh, no, Chinese. Yeah, can't get in. I gotta show invitation at the gate. And the stop start the Kangan only now, 6 o'clock.
Or else you can't enter.
Alright, we're back here.
Wow, pretty cool. Alright.
Yeah, man. Back on the report. Hold on.
Mi sei di tuo ma guarda con di ting di tuo lo ancora la mamma di Grace qua.
Hey Vishnu, was 5:30, get ready. Me over crash Chicago.
Hey, I got it.
You ain't on that to be cool, eh? Who?
Hey, when I drink, don't go to Kangan. Alright, back home. What's that? Is that right?
Yes, Naya.
Hey, so what you cook today, right? Cook up rice?
Cook up and look up.
So orange with this fine?
What time? Yeah,
What time? I know where we be shooting up.
Oh, yeah, but he might have, right? She never?
No, she sent me.
So what time are you going to
We left 3:30.
Yeah, okay.
3:34.
You know what? Left too late to for place get dark also, you know?
Where we go left?
Sometimes she might turn up on
3:30.
Reach here for 3:30.
3:30. You go check out Vishnu cook up here. Vishnu is a good cook, you know. Hey, hello, good morning. I come for look up the cook up. Come for look up the cook up. Mute.
Just mute on. Mute it. Mute the button just
Check out
mute
the
it.
sound computer.
Yeah, good. I think cook up.
Yeah. Alright,
But
man.
the stove dot is
What make it right?
in the light.
Oh, you fry your fish too?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta come back to some of this later. You're going to cook up there? Cook up looking all bad.
Cook up.
Yeah. No, not right now. Come
Eh,
back
check it
for
out.
back fish. I got more fish to fry.
I don't know.
There's me sharing here the basin here.
Eh?
Don't you know what it is? Hey guys, I'm going to cook up now.
Yeah, so okay, I get you guys know that is take a fry. You cook up, nice okra. Good.
Hey, we don't cut here no more.
Huh? Good.
You put the okra on the now, it's okra.
Yeah, we're going to put in pepper. Pepper.
Salad inside the bag there.
Put the pepper on inside, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What kind of pepper size is it?
Melon there? Okay, give me there. Chỗ đem ya cà phun. Oh boy.
Hey buddy, you gotta separate the shrimp pie fish.
A separate dish. Right there you go. Good, let me see what go on.
Yeah, put it salad.
Where is salad there?
For this bowl,
Yes, Vishnu. More fish every time,
Good.
yeah, boy.
Hai
Alright.
con bị không?
Oh, you bring it?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. You got free delivery service. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में Yeah, barbecue done, boy. Barbecue is good. Yeah, check it out there, guys.
Very good.
Load cook up.